The cheap pink interchangeable curling iron features 3 ceramic barrels for long-lasting, bouncy, customizable curls. The small tapered wand is ideal for creating ringlet curls and voluminous waves. It can also add definition to curly hair. Begin by wrapping hair at the base, then work your way up the barrel. Curl larger pieces for bigger waves. The 1-inch wand is great for textured waves. Create volume by wrapping hair from the root. Leave an inch uncurled for a beachy look. Point the tool downward and alternate the direction of each curl for a natural look. The 1.25-inch curler is perfect for creating natural waves and volume. The clamp keeps a strong grip and holds the hair in place. Curl from the end towards the root.